Right, well today we're out in the vineyards working. I know a lot of people are staying at home at the moment because of the situation, but we are actually able to work, and this time of year we are doing what is commonly known as bud rubbing. Water shoot removal is the proper term, and it's taking all the buds off the baby vines and all the mature vines that they don't require, so they're not taking energy from the plant. And we do that purely for that reason, so that it puts more energy into our grape and into the grape flower, so that's all it has to concentrate on. We're also going through flowering at the moment, so obviously the flowers are growing. Give it another month or two, hopefully we'll be pollinating. But we also have this year, unfortunately, other than COVID-19, we have major frost issues this year, which means we had a big air frost back in April, which did quite a bit of damage, unfortunately. And unfortunately, we have another one coming this week, probably today, this evening, Tuesday, Wednesday. No one's really 100% sure yet, but it's not going to be very good for any vineyard grower at the moment. And we're all working really hard to carry on doing what we do and hopefully get a crop at the end of the season to put some wine in a bottle for everyone to have a drink at the end of all of this when it's over.